Hello friends, today's topic is create a stack using linked list. In this program, we create a stack using linked list. Now start. Struct node int value and struct node next part is a prototype of node. Node has two part. One is value part and second is next part. This top is node type variables and assign in top null. This push the void push a function. Num is integer type. New node is a node type variables. New node struct malloc. Malloc malloc allocate the size of new node. The, cout insert the data in the node. We insert the data in the node. We want whose data in insert the node. So I press the key and new node point the value part. New nodes point the value part. This is value part and this is next part. Top equal to new node means the address of top is allocated in new node and new node next part equal to top means new node point the next part and top the address of top is null is allocated in new node. Is value part and second is next part. Value part is integer type and next part is node type. This is the address of node. This is address of new node. This is a new node. This is a num. Insert data in the node. B insert the data who want the in the nodes. B enter the 8. New node points value. New node points the value part and insert 8 in this part. New node next part equal to top. Top has null. Let's top has already null and null is allocated in this part. The first linked list in our linked list is first node is created successfully. Top equal to new node means the new node address of is allocated in top. The address of new node is 100 and 100 is allocated in this block. The 100 point the this node. 100 point the this node equal and B insert the next node in this stack. Struct node malloc size of struct node means the malloc allocate the size of new node. The address of new node is 200. Insert a data in the node num. B enter the value of num is 9. New node value equal to num means 9 is insert in this value part and new node next part equal to top means new node point the next part and the value of top is insert in the new node. The 100 is insert in this and this block is point to the first node. top equal to new node. This is new node, and the address of new node is allocated in top. The address of new node is 200 in this block, and this link is removed. And 200 this, and this top is point the new node. And new, B insert the value of 10. New node value equal to num means the 10 is insert in this part, and new node next part equal to top. The top has value 200. 200 is allocated in this part, and new node next part equal to top means the new node, the address of new node is pointed allocated in the this block, and 200 point the this node, and this node is create link with this node. Top equal to new node means the address of new node is allocated in top. This the address of new node is 300. 300 is allocated in this part means uh, top is point the this node. In our linked list, three nodes are inserting successfully. We want display this node. So let temp is a node type variables, and this is a temp, and top equal to temp equal to top means the address of top is allocated in temp. The address of top is 300. 300 is allocated in this node means the temp is point to the top node. This is a top node. Top equal to null. If is top is not created, then then if is linked list is not created, then execute this part. Let's the this linked list is created and execute this part while temp not equal to null means the temp is this and the value of temp is equal to null, then terminate this part, and not equal to, then execute loop. See out after insert data in node and display. Temp equal to temp next part. Temp point the next part, and this is next part. Next part contains the address of previous node, and the temp point the 200, and 200 there is 200, and temp point the previous node, and this link is removed. Temp point the this node, and after loop execute again. Temp not equal to while, temp not equal to null. This condition is true. Then execute this line. Temp value, and the value of 9 is in this node. 9 is display, and temp equal to temp next part. means temp point the next part is 100 point the this node, and 100 is allocated in temp, the this is remove, and 100 is allocated in here, and temp point the this node, and temp equal to temp next part, the condition execute again, temp not equal to null, condition is true, and temp point value part, temp point the value part is 8, and 8 display in our screen. Temp equal to temp next part means temp point the next part equal to null, and this is remove, and here put null, null, and condition execute again, temp not equal to null means the condition temp point the null, this condition is false, and this loop is terminated. After our linked list display the part, and we want the discuss the top part. Let's top equal to null. If condition is true, there is no node in stack. If condition is true, then execute this part. The condition is true, then execute this part. Top value means the value of top is top point the this node, and value of top node is 10 display in our screen. Bottom this is not used in this part, but I visualize this program, so I use the bottom. We want the x is the value of bottom, so the if its condition is true, then execute this line. If condition is not true, then execute this line. PTR equal to top means the PTR equal to top means the top, the value of top is 300. PTR is allocated in 300, and PTR point the this node, temp equal to PTR means the value of PTR is allocated in temp. The value of PTR is 300. 300 is allocated in this temp, and this link is removed, and temp point the top node, point the node. Temp PTR equal to PTR next. PTR point the next part. Next part is 200. 200 point the previous node, and this 300 is removed, and 200 is here, and PTR point the previous node. This link is removed, and this condition execute again and again, and PTR point here, and temp point the this node, and PTR value, the value of PTR is print, B access the from this condition next node of this stack and display the next bottom node of the stack. We use the pop. We want the remove the first node of the link list and star ptr ptr equal to top means the address of top is allocated in ptr means the ptr point the first node. If top equal to null means this execute this line linked list is empty. If condition is true, execute else part. Delete the top data ptr value. Ptr point the this node and this node contain value part is 10. 10 display in our screen. Top equal to top next part means top point the next part 200. 200 is this node. This node address is 100 is allocated in this ptr in top. Top point the next part means top point the next part 200. 200 point the next node. Next the address of next node is 200. The 200 is allocated in top. This is removed and 200 point and this link is removed. Blue link is removed. This link is removed. And top point the 200. 200 the address of 200 is this. And this link free ptr. ptr point the this node and be free this node. This node is removed in our linked list. Memories release. It is main function push. We call the push 3 times. The push is called 3 times and we insert the value and we and display the nodes and we access the bottom node and we want the display the peak of this node. So we create the peak function. We want the pop. We want the remove the node first node. So we use the pop function and after pop then we want the top of this stack this display and get ch. If we this is proof that this is stack because we insert the third node and remove the first is third node. This use the concept of LIFO. Let's execute this program. We insert the first node value is 8, is 9, is 10 because 8 is bottom node and 9 is middle node and 10 is top node. This is we display the this node and the most bottom node is 8. This is proof and the top node is 10 because it is before deleting and delete the top node. B, delete the top node 10. After deleting the top node is 9. The 9, now 9 is the top node. After insert data in node and display, 9 top node and 8 is bottom node. And again, we insert some values here. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Let's we display this value is the bottom date node is 5. The bottom node is 5 and top node is 10. After deleting 10, 9 is top node. Thank you so much. I gave the link of this node, this program in description box.